we co-try cases and we give opportunities to everybody. So we have those real people not just sitting there asking questions, participating.
Exactly.
And jury knows.
I've always thought that as well. I'm like, what are you doing? Do you think these folks in that jury don't see through this? It's all black jury, because I've seen it in Clayton County here in Georgia, where your jury's going to be all black, or DeKalb County, where it's going to be 75% black, and you don't have those black lawyers or associates doing anything on the case. They know exactly what you're doing.
Just sitting there.
We have black lawyers.
And I heard one guy that I heard the story where even though she was a lawyer, the attorney would tell everybody that she was a law clerk, so they didn't feel like she. Yeah, even worse.
Yeah, because she was a lawyer, but he told everyone she was a paralegal, because his thought was if they knew she was a lawyer, they would wonder why she didn't do any part of the trial.
That's pretty sick. But
yeah, it's real.
But this stuff still goes on. It goes on today. It's crazy.
The good thing is, though, I think that generation of folks who think like that, over time they're phasing out of the profession, and then the folks who are more inclusive and want to be inclusive and have equity and want to give everybody opportunities, they're starting to lead the way. Folks like you guys. So I think that's important. I think that's the positive thing.
Man, that's awesome. Well, let's talk a little bit about
Bob, I can't be accused of not being inclusive, because I was thinking right now, I have 8 lawyers.
Yeah, most of your firm's women. 6
of them are females, 6 female Latinas.
Yeah.
I'm cornering the market on female Latina lawyers in LA. So I have 6 female Latina lawyers and 1 white female lawyer. Most of them, they're all girls in my office, except one Mexican lawyer.
Gilbert.
Gilbert. But the rest of them are all female in my office, and it wasn't on purpose. But
they're awesome.
I don't know, I just ended up with an all-female firm.
Yeah, we just hired 3 new associates. They were all female the past week. They stood out there. And that's what the real DEI is, just opportunity, just giving somebody the opportunity to at least interview and have a chance.
Right.
And a lot of people, first-generation lawyer?
Yeah.
First-generation lawyer, first-generation lawyer. If nobody gave us an opportunity, we wouldn't be here.
Exactly.
So that's all it is.
It really is all it is. But